We will be going over how to share your case with your client so they can do their own data entry. Click New Case, enter your case name, and click Save and Done. Now that your case has been created, you can now share it with your client by selecting the Client Share tab. There are a few things you can share with your client. To have your clients do their own data entry, you would select Case Information. If you want them to fill out their own data entry, then you'll probably want them to fill out their own vital statistics form as well, so be sure that's been selected. If you want them to fill out their Uniform Support Declaration, you'll want to select that too. If you aren't sure you'll need a USD, you are always able to share this with them at a later time. If you are sharing the Parenting Plan Builder tool with your client, this calendar, holidays, and school vacations allows you to only share the calendar component. This will let them create a visual schedule. If you want them to be able to select their own parenting plan provisions, you can check this box. And if you want them to be able to draft and download their parenting plan, then select this option. You can set the length of time you would like your clients to have access to their case here. The default is 10 days. In a mediation or collaborative case, you might want both people to access the case, so you would select Allow both parties to access this case. After you have made all your selections, click Save. Now you can share the case with your client in two different ways. One way is to click Generate Link, copy the link, and email it to your client directly. We personally use a template email, like you see here, to send the link to our clients. The other way is to have MyPleadings email the link to your client or clients. You just type in their name and email and click Send Invite. Although emailing the link directly to your client is a way to ensure it does not get caught in their spam filter. If you ever need to disable the case share link or reset your client's password, you can do that here. And that is how you share your case with your client. Please reach out to us if you have any questions.